Come on! What? My 262 didn't activate! My 262 didn't activate! What in the world? I swear, if this thing is dead...
Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orange Springs, or 8 miles northeast of Fort McCoy, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
We gotta... I'm getting kind of scared. It's an AO6. Maybe I forgot to enable SVR or something.
Locations impacted include... For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather.
Yes! Oh shoot, zone guard didn't go off. I forgot to set it on standby.
Weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting.
Alright, here we go. 262's first RWT.
And especially the warning signals can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 2016 Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for
This guy's now 2 years old.
Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard,
Melbourne tested like
Osceola,
in the middle of when they did
Seminole,
that.
and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWX69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Your weather roundup at 10 a.m. Orlando International Airport, under mostly sunny skies, temperature 86 degrees, dew point 77, humidity 74%, making the heat index 97, the wind southeast at 8 miles per hour. Pressure 30.20 inches and...
Yeah, now that I moved my 991 over there, you can hear...
Hold on.
Oh, okay. But now my WR300 can be heard perfectly. Yep. Alright, well, first required weekly test on the 262. Now, we'll see if we'll activate for the 6 p.m. test. It's an AO6, has a less chance of dying, so let's see. Oh, heck! Melbourne, why? Oh my god! Jeez, Melbourne. 262's first SVR.
Until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Mary, moving north at 5 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Jeez.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Altamonte Springs, Winter Springs, Castleberry, and Lake Mary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather city in Sullivan County, Brevard. When until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Local law enforcement reported heavy rain in the Warren area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, Merritt Island, Patrick Air Force Base, Port Canaveral, and Jetty Park. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The forecast.
Dang it, garbage.
A strong thunderstorm was located over satellite.
Alright, we gotta pray my
moving
phone
east
doesn't
at 15
die.
knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar.
It's more than likely gonna die, so if this video gets cut short,
Excess of 34 knots.
actually, let's try do this.
Downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
We're gonna record from here,
Turn to safe harbor if
so
possible.
my phone can charge.
Locations impacted include Indian Harbor Beach, Satellite Beach, Palm Shores, Oak Alley, and South Patrick Shores. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Marine.
Well, there it goes. My final EAS alert for summer break of 2022. This summer break was a blast. We went from EAS like 574 up to 703. That means we got over 100 alerts this summer. Just a heads up, I won't be getting a lot of 11 a.m. tests unless it's like Thanksgiving break or winter break or something. But I will try my best to upload videos throughout the week during the school year. But other than that, I'll see y'all in my next video when I make it.